Linz from Sweet Natured, and this is my first time looking at the Queen Elizabeth balcony room. As always, I'm joined by Marky.
Hello.
Hello.
But it's not my first time. I'm in here already.
That's nice. So let's see what we can see. So I've taken my coat off because it's very warm, but I haven't looked at anything else, I promise. So
You've not, no. All we did was put your coat in the wardrobe just there.
There.
So you've seen the bottom of a wardrobe.
And a dressing gown. So
do you want to take us on a room tour?
Yeah. So, the loo.
Well, bathroom as well.
It's a shower loo combo. Wow. We've got sparkling marble, some lovely toiletries.
You smell that carpet?
Quercus.
Quercus?
Quercus.
I've heard of that one before.
No. We've got glasses.
Hello. We've got a loo.
Lou, let me look at the towels, like a towel inspector.
Are they nice and comfy?
Oh, they're nice.
So we're in a balcony. Is it a BB grade, I think,
I
in
think
there?
it says BB.
Yeah, which it means midship, I think.
These are nice. Okay.
Shower?
Little swim costume clothesline.
Yeah.
And some more toiletries. Again, if you've been watching for a while, you know I don't touch that stuff because...
I'll use it. You've got your own stuff, haven't you?
I have. So wonderful. Should we look in the wardrobe?
Yeah.
Oh!
Did that open off quicker than you thought then?
We've got slippers, wooden coat hangers. Oh, they're like double-ended. Wow.
Did you open the other side?
More. What? Oh, look, they've got these for your trousers.
You do need some trousers on this cruise.
You definitely. I mean,
you need trousers on any cruise, I guess.
Yes.
What have we got here then?
We've got...
Just open that one first.
This one? Okay,
Yeah.
so we've got safe.
You just open the safe up? I've not seen how big it is inside.
It's like, laptop size. Dressing gowns. Oh, they feel okay.
Yeah, they're nice. And just some more space. That's why I've just thrown stuff in.
And then...
I'll just come to this side of you.
Look, more slipper. Oh, we've got bonus slippers and more.
That's a really tall space in there.
That's for gowns.
It is, yeah. You can tell the ship type, can't you?
It's for my gowns. Okay, so big bed. You
haven't seen any of this, have you?
No. Proper TV.
Yeah.
Full length mirror. It's quite airy, isn't it? It's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice space.
A little pencil. Oh, that's good because thermostat. Let's have this. Oh, it's a nice thread count. That's nice.
Have a lie on the bed then. Tell us what it's like.
Oh, good. That's the extent of it. Pencil, which is good.
Why is it good?
Because I like to write notes.
Okay, well done. And we've got...
Oh, tannoy.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Amsterdam Watch.
Should we pause it, please? And we're back.
Yeah, quick pause just while the captain told us what was going on.
Officer of the watch.
The officer of the watch?
Yeah, so we have to do our muster, but it's the new improved muster where we go and we just check in, which I prefer.
I much prefer it to when we used to have to go put the life vests on and go stand
on the
places.
promenade deck. Okay, kettle. Tea bag check. Twinings every day. If it's not going to be Yorkshire tea, I can do twinings.
Is twining good?
You know I like.
No,
twinings.
I was saying, does that meet your satisfaction if it's not Yorkshire tea?
Yes.
Okay.
Biscuits or cookies, depending on where you are in the world.
What have we got in the drawer below there, Pat? No, there.
Which drawer?
Well, I meant that one first, but...
This drawer?
Yeah. Oh, it's a little writing bureau.
That's nice.
And there, little mini guides.
Yeah, lovely.
Some dining.
Yeah, we've got... Wowzers, that's a hairdryer and a half.
Can you sound any more excited about a hairdryer? Obviously, have less excitement about a hairdryer.
It's got an end.
It has got an
It's
end.
not got a diffuser, but at least it's got an end. 8 points for the hairdryer.
Yeah, we'd just like to point out this is just our tour. It's not the review. That'll come at the end of the cruise.
Oh!
Oh, that's nice.
Hello.
I don't know why we've got that.
I don't know why we've got that, but
Well, we'll just take it. We haven't paid for that.
is that a thing?
We'll leave as a... If you know, does Cunard normally leave you half a bottle of champagne? Oh, let us know, because we haven't paid for that. I expected that to just be empty then.
Maybe. Just, you know.
Pop that away.
That's nice.
So if that is a thing on Cunard, please let us know in the comments.
It is like within a fortnight of your birthday, so maybe that's why they've
Maybe.
banged it in there. Now this is what I've been waiting for.
Oh, just check. Is that a sleep bed? A sofa bed?
asleep.
I mean, is it convert?
No.
No, just
I
a
can confirm
proper
it's a
sofa.
All right.
Little table there.
Okay, so now a nice voile.
Have we got... Was that for a light outside there?
Yeah.
We got a deck light.
Door.
A proper latch. That's a nice way of opening it.
Oh, it's quite.
I quite like that because sometimes they can be sort of really hard to get in and out of the doors.
A little slither of a balcony rather than a proper balcony.
This is a nice wide balcony.
Yeah. I mean.
Yeah, we're in Southampton, so obviously it's raining. Here's where we found we've just locked ourselves out of the cabin. let's have a look at the desk.
Let's not joke about that because I don't even have the champagne.
So we've got a couple of reclining chairs by the look of it.
We've got lifeboats down here. Oh, it's quite nice. We're not on an end, so we've got quite a shelter. This is good. I'm really pleased.
Yeah, we're midship here.
We didn't pick this room. It was a guarantee. People did that roulette again. Amazing.
We only did that because we booked this fairly late. 'Cause originally, we were going to go to Dubai for my birthday, and with the state of things, we changed it at the last minute, and then came here. So we only booked this 3 weeks ago.
Yeah. But I'm delighted. And you know what? We've got the beverage package.
We have got the beverage
We've got the
package.
beverage package. So
And to be honest, credit where it's due, we only booked this because Paul and Carol
Paul and Carol love to
check out
travel,
that. Yeah,
told.
we saw them do this. My impression of Cunard has always been it's been too stuffy for us.
It might be.
Well, Paul and Carol said it's not. We'll do a review in a week's time.
Yeah, because we've seen people get on today in jackets and ties. We've also seen people wrapped up to high heaven because it's this.
And it is worth pointing out, we're filming this on the day we've got on, and it's going up the day we've got on. So everyone will be seeing this. If you're watching it today, Sunday the 13th of February, that's the day we got on.
Like half an hour ago.
We've come in, filmed this, so that it can go up on the Sunday, and then we can go out and get some drinks.
Drink time now.
Right, let's go back inside, just see if we missed anything.
Can we get in? Yes! Oh, another light. Oh, look!
That's for out here.
Oh, nice. Okay, so that is the tour. It's lovely.
It's,
I'm so
I'm
pleased.
really pleased with it. It's really nice.
Okay, so is it time for a drink now?
It's time for drinks now. And as I said, we'll be doing a review at the end of the cruise, so that'll go up on the channel in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, so thank you for watching. And cheers.
We can't cheers.
We can
We can cheers. Get the glasses quickly. In fact, you can get the glasses and you can pop the cork.
You having me do this?
Well, given I'm filming, do not launch that.
Oh.
Let's just move a little bit further away.
Okay, so
What have we got? What are we drinking, Linz?
we're drinking Polacca.
Let's have a look.
Polacca. From France.
Okay.
Blanc de Blanc.
Okay, it's not something I'm familiar with, but it's free. Free is good. Don't aim it at your face when you just lose.
I just thought you said your
No, aim it at my face. I can see it's immediately going down to infirmary. What happened? Well, I was looking at the cork after I'd just loosened it.
What the heck? Oh, he's coming. Oh! Nice.
This is the most effort for an outro we've ever made. Normally the drinks are there already. But bonus drink.
Bonus drink.
I'm amazed we've got through this before the stewards knocked at the door.
Oh, that's a bit...
That'll do.
Okay, just...
You don't have to keep filling.
Okay, after all of that,
So after all of that,
thank you for watching.
thank you. And if you've not subscribed and you are still at this point, if you could subscribe, that would be lovely.
Thank you if you already have. And
Then thank you.
cheers. Oh! Have a lovely
Cheers,
day.
Linz.
Cheers, man.